Williams had a great struggle over the days preceding his arrival, as Snake Adam Collard started ignoring her when his head turned for newbie Zara McDermott. Rosie was devastated when Adam showed no remorse for his actions, but her upset was turned into excitement when Sam walked into the villa and immediately focused on Adam, warning him not to treat women in the way she had been treated. Entrepreneur Sam seemed to have his eye on Rosie after he chose the Welsh firecracker as his first of 3 dates with lucky ladies in the villa. He chose Samira and newcomer Ellie Brown to date for the following 2 courses, where sparks seemed to fly, while fans thought his time with Samira was cringeworthy. He really enjoyed his date with both Ellie and Rosie, but was left deciding between Rosie and Samira when Ellie was snapped up by Dr. Alex George. Dr. Alex was really grafting to get his girl, which swayed Ellie as she admitted to other girls in the house that her heart lay with him, rather than turning her head for others. In the end, Sam's decision went to Samira as he left Rosie out in the cold and walking away from the villa with her suitcase in hand. But what were his real motives for choosing the dancer over the solicitor? Read more. Love Island latest fans reckon they've worked out why Sam chose Samira, which shocked many as they seemed to believe it would be Rosie who got the boy. The theory suggests that Sam's actual target was Ellie, and his hope is to swap his partner with Dr. Alex when the 2 of them inevitably fall out. Samira, along with some fans, have been concerned that Ellie doesn't really like the doctor and has some ulterior motives for choosing him. If this is the case, Sam's supposed game plan is perfect, as he can swoop in and sweep Ellie off her feet, leaving Alex and Samira to couple up once again. The doctor and dancer have been in a friendship couple since the beginning, and both have been happy to escape this arrangement to have a stab at real love. But fans think Sam's game plan is going to leave Samira and Alex out in the cold so he can make things work with Ellie. One said, "I think Sam likes Ellie, but felt for Alex, so chose Samira to help him out, so that when Ellie admits she doesn't actually like Alex, Sam can have Ellie, and then Alex can get all friend-wise with Samira again." Anyone that follows this thought train, well, then another added, "I knew Sam would pick Samira because he wants Ellie, and this way him and Alex can swap." Don't miss Love Island news. Want to make sure you get the latest updates from the villa? Or just can't wait 23 hours to find out what happens next? Sign up using this form to receive daily updates directly to your phone, and we'll send the big breaking news to you as well. But will Sam's game plan come off, or will he be left in a coupling he regrets? Love Island airs tonight from 9 p.m. on ITV2.